Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm recording this video in Mombasa. I came to Mombasa to meet some of my friends, some of the investors in the VIP group, and some of the investors in my Telegram channel. They wanted to know more about stock market and cryptocurrency. I'm in the business of teaching people about stock market and cryptocurrency. My aim is very simple, that we all grow, we all save, we all invest, and we all grow wealth. That is my aim. As I'm in Mombasa spending my few days holiday, I'm reading a book by Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is also talking of the same thing. He says that investing is all about growth. You buy a company and the company grows in revenue, the company grows in profits, the company grows in number of branches, the company grows in terms of number of employees, the company grows in terms of the profits and the revenue and the earnings per share. And this is what he says. When I think of investing, I think of growth. Because to me, that is the very heart of successful investing. Successful investing, according to Charles Schwab, is all about growth. And this is what he says. When you put your money in a given investment, let's take for example, he's dealing with American stocks. So let's take for example, you put your money in Safaricom, in Microsoft. After a while, Microsoft will grow. The number of people using Microsoft products will grow. The revenue that Microsoft brings in will grow. Then Microsoft will also be launching out several products. They began with DOS, 1998, Windows 1. Then they went to Windows 3 in about 91 there. 1995, they had Windows 1995. Then they had Windows NT in around 1997. Then 1998, they had Windows Me. Then they had Windows 98. In 2000, they had Windows 2000. Then they had Windows 2007. Then they had Windows 10 in the year 2010, around there. Then now they have Windows 11. So Windows and Microsoft, they keep launching new products. Of course, as they are launching Windows, they're also launching Office. So these companies, they grow. Their profits grow. Their revenue grow. And they expand. And they enlarge. And they become big. And their share prices also grows. And you, as the investor, you also grow. Your money becomes a lot with time. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are not growing, if you are not investing, start investing. Start investing. Start buying shares. Start buying stocks. If you don't know where to start, I have a Telegram group. The Telegram group is called Stock Market Investing 101. There are other people using my name to create other fake groups. They call themselves Peter Oluoch, and they are scamming people. Join my Telegram group. My Telegram group is called Stock Market Investing 101. Join it. Together, let's learn the stock market. Together, let's learn cryptocurrency. Together, let's grow. And I urge you to join the VIP group. I have a school, I have classes, private classes, that teaches stock market and teaches cryptocurrency. The VIP group is charged 1,300 shillings per month, and it will guide you, it will help you grow, and it will help you learn. Otherwise, if you are new here, subscribe to our Telegram group, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have a chama, invite me to your chama. If you have a circle, invite me to your circle. And together, let's talk about the stock market. Let's talk about growth, and let's talk about development. as advised by Charles Schwab. He's one of the American investment gurus and a fund manager with over 30 years experience. Bye. See you in the next video.